is automatically deleting silence. Here is what it actually means. So for example, let's say this is a video that I'm actually working on, and maybe this video is 2 hours long. For me to go in and be removing this silence that is splitting and deleting the silence manually, I can actually just do this automatically, and it's going to delete all this silence. So to be able to do that, here is what you have to do. You click on the video, you come where it says transcript, and you allow it to do its thing. It's just going to note where there are silences. Now, when it is done like that, it's going to note the silences as you have seen, and it's going to note repeat section. Maybe you took a particular word sentence 2 times, it's going to note it here, and it's going to note also filler words like all those filler words. It's going to note it here. It's because this video did not actually have it. That's why you are not seeing it here. So when the pauses section have been selected like this, you just come down and you click on delete, and automatically it is deleted as you have seen. This will actually help you to work faster rather than you going manually to delete those silences